Morning everybody, welcome back to Pete's To-Do List. On today's episode, what I'm going to do is show you how I fill up our freshwater tank. Unfortunately, on our new property, we don't have a well, we don't have water, so I have to go get water. So what I've been doing is I have a 100 gallon collapsible rain barrel that I take to our friend's house. I get the water from there, truck it back over here, and then what I'll do is I'll attach to the rain barrel, pass it through a hose to a pump that's connected to a battery, then out of the pump into another hose connected to a filter, and then into our blue safe water drinking hose into our freshwater tank. So that's what I'm going to show you today. Okay, so let's get going. So on this pump, I have a cutoff switch that I've wired in. I don't know if you can see that too well, but just a simple on-off switch so I can control the pump. Okay, so I've just connected the pump to the battery, so this is good. This is, oop, it's ready to go. Got a little water left in it. So now I'm going to hook up the rain barrel to the pump to the hose to the filter to the hose, and then start filling up the tank. And if you don't have a Leatherman, man, oh man, you should get one. These are great. And when you're connecting the pump, always make sure you look at the arrows and the direction of the water, because you need it to flow the correct way. Whoa. Okay, so I got it all connected. Got the rain barrel isn't 100% full. It's maybe 70% full. So maybe 70 gallons in there. I think my holding tank is 60. So should be enough water in there. I need to turn on the spigot, cut off there to release that water so that it can come to the jet pump. I turn the jet pump on, goes through our filter, and I'm not exactly sure what the filter specs on this is, but it's a sediment filter, obviously, to get some of the stuff out of the water before it goes into our holding tank. Once through the holding tank, then I have a 3-stage filter that filters out, you know, all the other stuff. And then we also have a reverse osmosis UV light 12-stage filter for drinking water. So that's the process right now when you don't have easy access to water. So let me turn this on, and then I'll show you that we got water going in. And it should take about 20 minutes. Okay, here we go. So here's the end of our hose, and it sounds like we're just about ready. There we go. So a little bit of air in there, but here we go. We're just going to stick that in there, and I'm going to take the weight off this a little bit if I can. No, maybe not. I should probably have some sort of adapter to help it get in there, but it's filling up. So we'll wait about 20 minutes and then we should be done. So that's how we do it. Thanks for watching. Adios.